Alright, so today we finna be installing our RS grill, Audi S4. Got it off of eBay. Check this thing out. This right here is gonna replace that. It's gonna look good. Alright, Gary, is good. Take it out. Where's the box at? Huh? Right, other side. You got it? Went off all the way up. Got it, take this off. Take it out. Okay, lift it up. Oh, yeah. Just pull out.
It is so real right now. It is so real. I'm so nervous. Dude, it's
Got it. Alright, now you paint the crash bar.
Oh,
Alright, finally got it off. It took a lifetime, so we're finna paint this crash bar black to match the car.
I'm shaking. I'm shaking. Thank you so much.
Told you. Alright. So there we have it. We got it installed finally. I think it looks pretty well. We painted the crash bar as well, so it matches. Now all we gotta do is jack the car down. Alright, so after countless hours of work, finally got this done. I got this wrapped right here, and it matches the grill. I don't know if you can tell, but the grill's nice and shiny. These aren't. So I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna buy aftermarket parts, make these shiny or glossy black, or maybe I'll even paint them myself. Take them out, paint them, or just wrap it right here, some tape, just put some clear coat on it to make it match the shininess, because it looks pretty cool when it's shiny or glossy or metallic black, but that's the one area that's not. You also got to paint the crash bar so it looks a little better. Yeah, I think it looks nice, man. Well, that's the end of the video. Rate, comment, like, subscribe.